need a Costa special roll on the fly? Yes, the customer just said you could do whatever you want. Just don't bring your vibrator at work. What up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Costa. It's another beautiful day here in Pensacola, Florida. I'm really excited for this video because this is one thing that kind of made me who I am. Because I got good at this, because I became really good at making up rolls on the fly, and I kind of understand flavors a little bit more better. In this video, I want to talk about all of the factors that come into play whenever someone says, hey, I want you to make me something up on the fly or on the new. Can you just do something completely special off the menu? I love doing this. Why? Because it kind of tests me and it kind of says, all right, let's see what you got. And my favorite thing is when, oh my god, this is the best roll I've ever had. Anyways, let's go. Let's get into it. Omakase, 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 omasaki. Oh my god, the sushi is so good. So I get asked this multiple times a week, and I love doing this. You guys know it. Chef's choice, sushi rolls, sushi plates, sushi platters, whatever it is. This video, I'm gonna tell you how I break that down. Wait, no. In this video, I'm gonna break it down and tell you how I come up with special rolls. And I'm going to show you a special roll that is not on the menu, that's not anywhere. Fun fact, whenever I get a order for a special roll, I make it up in that moment in time. Each time I come up with a roll, it's something brand new. So there are three main factors when it comes down to making a roll. Before I start making it, I ask these questions to either the server or the customer themselves. I'll say, hey, do you have any food allergies, any diets that I need to know about? You know, can you have gluten? Do you have a peanut allergy? Do you have a soy allergy? The second factor is, what do they not like? If you ask somebody what they like, they're gonna end up making a list of 40 things. So the important thing to know is, what do they not like? I always ask that, and most of the time it's, oh, I don't like octopus or escalar. Always. The last factor I ask, is it anything goes? Like, can I put everything that I feel like will make a good roll? So those three things are the biggest things when it comes to preparing myself mentally and kind of understanding. Once they say no allergy, they like everything and anything goes, my mind just opens up to everything that I have in my bar, everything that I have prepped, and my mind starts to go a little bit, my mind starts to roll. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick a protein on top, and I'm gonna have a protein on the inside. I love fried shrimp, I love soft shell crab even more. So for this roll, I'm gonna go with soft shell crab. For my special rolls, I like to stick it with like 3 to 4 different ingredients. I don't like to put too many things inside. Once you do that, then it starts to just kind of become one flavor, and you don't get to you can't pinpoint all the things that are inside. All you taste is just one flavor, and usually it's gonna be a sauce that's on top, or a marinade, or a cream cheese. Those things stand out. Certain things will overpower the roll. Cream cheese, like I said. Strong sauces, if I know, like eel sauce is very prominent. You can tell what that is by eating it. And one thing I like to do is I like to put it on the plate versus putting it on top of the roll. That way, when it's on the plate, if they want more, they can just add more instead of just drowning the whole roll in the sauce. And it's really important to balance out the flavors as far as sauce goes. Sweet chili sauce, I love sweet chili sauce, and eel sauce, I love those two together with some cilantro on anything is really good. And it's important to understand balance. If you put more of one thing, you're gonna taste more of that thing in the future. I see this all the time on Instagram. It's a roll, but then all they have are all these different sauces, and it looks really nice, but then if you were to eat it, that's all you would taste is mayo, eel sauce, sugar, sriracha. And what's up with this blue sauce that I see nowadays? Anything for the gram. When it comes to toppers, always use fresh ingredients. I've seen people put like brown avocado or like parts of the avocado were brown on top of the roll, and it's just like, come on, man. Would you serve that to your mom, to your dad, to your girlfriend, to your boyfriend? Okay, so for this roll that I'm making today, I am going to put my favorite things in it. So let's begin. As every roll starts, I'm going to start with the rice on the nori. I'm gonna go with my favorite things inside. Soft shell crab, very light cream cheese, some barbecue eel, and I put a little cucumber in there for added lighter crunch. On top, I'm gonna go with salmon and avocado. Again, what the avocado is going to do is not only give it a nice creamy texture, but it's also going to mellow out all the flavors that I have inside. That way, everything's not overpowered, nothing stands out too much more than the other things. So I'm gonna go ahead and put eel sauce on the plate, that way it doesn't drown the roll on top. I'm also going to put sweet chili sauce. And I'm going to finish the roll in cilantro. And I'm going to finish the roll in cilantro microgreen. So let's think about it. The first thing that they're gonna taste is the sweet chili and the micro cilantro, and then the avocado and salmon first. That's the first things they're gonna taste when they put it in their mouth. And the eel sauce. Once they start to chew it, they're gonna introduce some of the new things, the crunch that's inside, the light cream cheese, and the eel, and it should all blend together nicely. In this roll, I did have 6 ingredients, which is kind of pushing it. I didn't want to put any eel in there in the beginning, but I love eel and I was craving eel, and this was going to be my lunch, so I put eel inside. So yeah, everything that comes into play, like I said, I have a crunch factor, I have the proteins that I want, I stuck with the fresh things. I used salmon and avocado on top, which were very fresh and very delicious. Everything just kind of had the right amount and nothing was overpowering anything else. So you guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you are a sushi chef and you're starting to have people ask for this kind of thing, keep this in mind. Do they have food allergies? Do they have any diets that they're sticking with? What do they not like? And is it anything goes? So keep those 3 things in mind, and then of course keep all the other factors I said also. Just have fun with it. One thing I used to do all the time when it was slow in the restaurant and it was shift meal time, I would always kind of make something new every day. So I would keep notes of all the flavor profiles, all the combinations, and all the different things that I can do. Just keep practicing. Keep practicing. You're gonna come up with something amazing. I myself have rolls on menus. I have 2 at Ichiban. Let's see, wow. 2 at Ichiban. I have 1 at Zigu. 2 at Zigu, kind of, I guess. 4 at the Jellyfish now. So I almost have 10 things on menus that you could try that I've created. If you're curious about what rolls I'm talking about, if you live in Pensacola and you want to try these rolls, leave a comment, hit that like button, and I'd love to share it with you guys. So thank you again for watching this video. I will catch you guys next week, and I love all of you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.